Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another lazy girl method with polygel. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers using peel-off base coat, so I decided to use one as well, but this is the one I have. I bought this from AliExpress some times ago, like about 2 years ago. I usually use it to apply my chrome powder, so I'll be using this on the nails. I'll be trying out to see if it actually works as a peel-off base coat. I've applied the peel-off base coat on the nails, so I'm waiting for it to dry properly before I start applying my gel base coat. I'll be using the base coat that came with the SXC kit, and I'll be working with the blue glow in the dark polygel, also from the SXC kit. I will apply the base coat on all the 5 fingers and cure for 30 seconds. If you are doing the lazy girl method for yourself and you want it to last long, you have to prep your nails properly. You take off the grown cuticles, remove excess shine from your nails, and apply nail primer before applying your gel base coat. Now I'm applying gel base coat into the tip because I'll be doing glitter placement in the tip before applying the polygel. After placing the glitters, I'll cure for 30 seconds before I start applying the polygel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. You can also turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm placing the polygel on the glitters now, and I'm using my gel base coat as the sleep solution. While you are spreading the polygel, make sure it covers all the sides of the nail tip. Also make sure that you don't put too much of the polygel in the nail tip.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy, anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. To my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend a lot of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, my side, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ lọ́ máa get sẹ́kọ̀ máa lọ bẹ́ ewo body on jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́ àtàròdò ọmọ ìdè pẹ́pẹ́ rẹ̀ máa hàn tóyìn tomato kọ́sìngó bẹ́ẹ̀ o lẹ́pà jọ pépéré ń pé jọ̀wọ́ má ṣe mí léṣe yé.
Most Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. To my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ lọ́ máa get sẹ́kọ̀ máa lọ bẹ́ ewo body.
If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below to join the family. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment.
Most Empire.
Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.